Today's Friday and this little chick is 22 days old today. It's been spending a bit of time at the peephole of the nesting box like that and climbing right up to the doorway. So it must be just about ready to fledge, I'd say. There it goes, coming to see the outside world. It's not quite as fully covered as the other baby was, but it seems steadier on its feet somehow. I put some fresh coriander in the cage before, and the mum and dad have been eating it, taking it to the baby. Here comes mother. It's nearly as big as the baby, as the mother. This is bugger off, leave me to just look after the baby myself.